Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wala po. Battery po siya sa mundo. I have a present for you, anak. Do you want to see it? Can you look for it? Can you look for your present? It's near the stairs. Come on. Open it. Marcella, come on. Open it. Wala siya sa mood. Happy birthday, Marcella! Wow! Oh. No. Are you okay? Are you okay? It's your birthday. Anak, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Open your gift. Kausapin ko lang ang anak ko. Wala pa siya sa mood. Ano problema? It's your birthday today. Ha? Oh, Miguel will open your gift. Hello.
No, baby. I'm not gonna open it.
Oh, give the gift to Miguel. Oh. Open it. Open it. Come on. That's your gift. Gift from Santa. Uy, regalo yan sa'yo. Regalo namin yan sa'yo. Open it. What? Anong sabi mo? Oh, you try to open it? Okay, rip it. You can rip it. Come on. Rip it. Bakit pakita yung likod? Kasi makikitang nagtipid tayo ng... Ano na, anak? Wala ka pa sa mood? Later na lang? Ha? We open it later? Okay. Put it here first. Oh, there you open it na. Oh, gusto mo lang yung box.
Ayun na. Si Miguel. Ayun na.
Ito na.
Si Miguel. Ayun na.
Si Miguel. Oh no. Come on, open it na. Open it, come on. Bilis, ayan si Miguel. Kukunin na niya yan.
Tutulungan kita.
Oh, Miguel will help you open your gift. Open it.
Oh, the unicorn.
I told you, diba you like unicorns?
Yes, I make a unicorn.
What will you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, puppet. It's a puppet. Diba you like puppet?
And you open it.
Of course. Wow, it's a unicorn. I help you. Get out of the plastic. Oh, tapon na to. Okay, you puppet. You try to puppet. Come on, play with it. Diba you see it on the YouTube? Yo, diba? You like it? Pop! Look, pop! Oh! I told you it will pop. One more. Pop!
It's in the window spider.
Oh, there's a spider. Oh, let's sing Incy Wincy Spider. Hey, birthday girl! It's time for you to eat. Let's go down. I have a surprise for you.
My puppet.
Yeah. Where's your puppet? Where did you put your puppet? Okay, I have another surprise for you. Wanna see it?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Are you excited? Oh, wait lang. You wait here. Let's wait here, okay? You sit down there. Up, don't look. Don't look. No looking, anak. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I can see the way. I see.
Ah! You go down. Okay.
Down? Down.
Babe, asa na? Babe, asa na? May, papakita ko lang ngayon. Ah, later pa pala. It's a prank! Look! It's a surprise! It's your birthday! Wow! What? What? Babe, lagot ka, nagtatampo. Babe, lagot ka, nagtatampo si Marcela. Ready? Look at that. Nahihiya ka pa. Oh.
Wow, look at this. Look at this, Marcela. Wow.
Whoa!
It's a big cake. Hmm?
You like it? What did you say? Open, go there, go there. What?
You don't want to wear this?
No, it's not a dress. You eat it, that's a cake.
It's a cake.
What will you say? That's from Ninang Dayan.
It's a big cake. Look, it's a cocomelon cake.
Over my cake.
What?
Hmm? Ito man yung each na, Marcela.
Do you love the cake?
I love it.
Oh, be careful, it might fall. Oh, you wait ha? You wait later. Yeah, there's a balloon. What else? Oh, oh, don't eat it. Don't eat it yet. Oh no, may langgam. There's ants. Again. Go out.
Look, it's JJ.
Yes, it's JJ.
JJ.
Happy anak with the cake.
JJ.
No, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Marcela.
Sister.
Ah, sige. Yes. Ano, gusto mo, pwede, bababa ka ba? Ah, pwede ka bang bumili na rin ng beer? Red Horse.
Marcela.
Later. Are you excited, anak?
To give.
Another gift. Later, when Lolo and Lola arrives, okay? O tara, take a picture with number 3. You want to change your clothes?
Papunta na ba?
Mga 4, mga 5, siguro. Are you bored? You want to have a party? Do you want to have a party, Marcela? Do you want to have a party, Marcela? Ano yan? Do you want to have a party? Today is your birthday and you're so bored. Kamu busy-busy yaya mo, oh. Pag-ayos ng birthday, ano mo. You're so cute, anak.
Parang tambal niya.
Nababakbak na yun.
Okay ka lang? Ay ka ba tinatamad, anak ha? Tara na, tara na. Naayusan po ni Jonalyn ang aming party balloons. Maliliit lang. Hindi parehas lang yung weight, no? Wala naman timbang ang ano eh. And then here are our decorations. Minimalist and maximalist. Kasi yung maliit na ano, para palang kulang, kaya pala parang kulang. Marcela, nagtatampo na ang mga lola mo sa'yo. So, taray.
Kantayin mo daw ulit mo.
Oh. Oh, do you want to sing happy birthday?
Sino kasama niyo sa bahay? Like your birthday. I don't like your birthday. No, I don't like your birthday.
Oh, you touch it, oh. Carry it na. Oh. Touch it properly, ha? Oh. Wait, wait. Baka mag-fall yan, ha? Oh, hawakan mo dito. Para hindi mahulog. Oh, get it. Oh, hold it like that. Oh, it's recording. Oh, you don't like, oh, you want to see your face na lang. Oh, touch it. Oh, hi guys. Sabi mo.
Ba? Wow!
Oh, ingat, anak. Wait lang, anak. Masisira mo to, anak.
No, giving.
Oh, let's sing happy birthday na to you.
Ito sa'yo mo, anong bigyan?
Baby shark siya. Baby shark naman yung kay Miguel.
Marcela, did you blow your cake? Ha? Did you blow your cake already? No? Isin namin mo ito.
Yung cake?
Wala bang table?
Gustong gusto na po niyang kainin yung cake. Ang tagal ba, anak?
Bagal na.
Happy birthday. Ano sabi? Oh, papa, don't touch it. Oh, no, not yet. Pwede. Tawagan ko ulit Abenson bukas. Saan mo dadalhin yan? Okay. Blowing out. Kung naman si Miguel, ako na lang mag-video.
Ako na lang mag-video.
Oo nga. Para...
Paano ba to? Ah, naka-record na. Doon ka, Bianca. Doon, katabi ka ni Marcela.
Marcela, you will blow your cake.
Gusto niya doon. The birthday girl. How old are you? 3. 6 years. Malatanda ni Bianca. Ang layo nung ang layo nung pang-blow.
Happy birthday. Ano pa?
Di ba masunod yung paper?
Happy birthday!
Day to you.
Ay!
Happy birthday!
Day to... Ito si Marcela. Ayaw mag-blow. Ayaw mag-blow.
Happy
Happy birthday. One more time.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, blow your candle.
I will blow the candle.
Papa-window the candle. Look, papa-window the candle.
Oh, blow together. Yay! Oh, later you blow again later.
Okay, naku, we have a surprise for you, Marcela.
Ha?
Yun, ano? May pa-surprise pala. What's that?
Mag-open it.
Open it, open it.
Open it. You open it. You open here. Come on.
I want to see your gift. Oh, dali. Ay, ano kaya to? What's inside? Open it na. Ready? What's that?
Dali.
What?
Masalano ko.
Wow.
What color is that?
Wow.
It's
Ay.
Is that Miguel?
it's Cocomelon Boss.
Wow!
What is that? Car? A truck?
Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Huh? Huh?
Happy.
You're happy, ha?
I'm happy.
Okay. Break the cake.
Yes.
You want to eat the cake na?
Ano ba yan? What?
Masa? Ay!
Wow.
Yes.
Do you like it? Hmm?
Okay.
Okay.
Kay Miguel yun. Meron din si Miguel.
What will you say to Mama and Papa? What will you
Monica.
say to Mama and Papa?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
Say thank you. Say thank you, mommy.
Oh, thank you. Oh, let's open it.
You want to eat the cake na?
Tara, let's eat the cake.
Let's eat the cake, Marcela.
Ay, kita titi.
Bakit i-anak ko?
Maliligo ka na ba? Say hi.
Align.
Ba't basa? Halaway lang ilaway.
Align.
Ilan kayo mawawala ng laway?
Hello.
Nilalaro na po nung bata yung gift niya.
Saan yung gift mo? Kasi gift mo.
Halika na, mami.
Thank you sa pagbisita. Sa Monday naman. Ganda mo. Hindi pinapatulog na siya. Build a forest, a holly, fa la 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 la. Oh, go decorate a Christmas tree.
on. Put it on.
Oh, you want help? Okay.
Like that, look,
Look. There you go. Merry Christmas! Oo, mainit yan. Yung init sa sino sa ano ba? Okay, sa
Cool.
sa baba malamig talaga. Peekaboo.
That's
Christmas balls. What color is that?
it's red.
Do you like it?
Can you decorate?
Yeah, oh. That's we're done with the decoration.
Lagyan ng mga chocolate na.
We're done. We're done
Lollipop, mga
with
ganun.
decoration.
Oo, naku, malanggam dito eh.
Hindi niya naisip, lalagyan ka na kasi naisip ko malamang pa lang. Meron pa nga akong ginawa, orange kaso
Like this.
like this.
Oh, you decorate the Christmas tree, anak. Like that.
I did decorated
Okay.
the Christmas tree.
Yeah, decorate it.
Here.
Hindi pala siya mag-decorate. Sa bahay, mag-decorate ka.
Oh, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. You want what? Sure.
What did you say?
Merry Christmas.
I guess.
What?
Christmas. What did the battery?
Yes.
Don't,
Oh, don't touch it.
Don't touch that. It's, ano tawag?
Fingers.
It's dangerous.
It's ouchie.
And, lason.
Poisonous.
Poisonous.
Point nose. Point nose. Five now we have five now. Twenty decorated security. We can decorate the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you sing?
Sing.
Oh, Christmas tree.
Oh.
We're going to what?
Meh.
It's noisy.
Sorry na.
Oh, Christmas
It's the noise.
It's a dog. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Noise.
night.
Sorry.
Are you wet? Oh.
Tapos, ayun na siya dito. First,
Gusto niya yung feels ng ano.
bibili pa nga ako fairy lights.
Good morning, Marcella.
Wait.
Bibili nga ako fairy lights pa. Naka-art